Explore the wonders of Latin America with TBS Global Travel and uncover 12 of the most beautiful cities where history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes meet. From colonial gems to modern metropolises surrounded by nature, each city promises unforgettable experiences and adventures. Let your next travel dream come to life in these inspiring Latin American destinations. Cartagena, Colombia. With colorful colonial architecture, vibrant culture, and sun-kissed Caribbean beaches, Cartagena is the jewel of Colombia's coast. Wander through its historic walled city, feel the pulse of local life, and relax by the sea in this captivating city that feels like a step back in time. Buenos Aires, Argentina. Known as the Paris of South America, Buenos Aires combines European elegance with Latin passion. Enjoy world-class dining, explore charming neighborhoods like San Telmo and Palermo, and experience the magic of tango in this lively artistic city that truly never sleeps. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. With iconic landmarks like Christ the Redeemer, Sugarloaf Mountain, and Copacabana Beach, Rio offers a landscape that's as unforgettable as its vibrant culture. Celebrate life in true Brazilian style as you experience the carnival spirit, sunny beaches, and breathtaking views. Santiago, Chile. Nestled between the Andes and the Pacific Ocean, Santiago is a dynamic capital offering a mix of urban sophistication and outdoor adventure. From wine tours in the Maipo Valley to exploring the city's art-filled neighborhoods, Santiago is a perfect destination for travelers seeking both excitement and serenity. Mexico City, Mexico. A blend of ancient history and modern culture, Mexico City is a city that has it all. Explore Aztec ruins, indulge in incredible street food, visit world-renowned museums, and soak in the energetic vibe of one of Latin America's most populous cities. Cusco, Peru. The gateway to Machu Picchu, Cusco is rich in history and charm. Wander through cobbled streets, discover Incan and colonial architecture, and let this city high in the Andes be your base for an adventure to one of the world's greatest wonders. Havana, Cuba. Step into a world of retro cars, lively music, and colonial-era architecture in Havana. The city's unique blend of vibrant history and culture makes every corner an experience. Montevideo, Uruguay. Uruguay's capital is a laid-back yet culturally rich destination. From pristine beaches along the Rambla to historic markets and theaters, Montevideo offers a perfect blend of relaxation and cultural exploration, with a modern yet nostalgic ambiance. Quito, Ecuador. Perched high in the Andes, Quito is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with stunning colonial architecture and breathtaking views. Explore the city's vibrant plazas, historic churches, and savor local flavors while standing in the heart of the world as Quito straddles the equator. Panama City, Panama. Known for its modern skyline and rich history, Panama City offers a unique mix of cosmopolitan luxury and colonial charm. Visit the historic Casco Viejo, explore the world-famous Panama Canal, and enjoy both city life and tropical rainforests all in one destination. San Jose, Costa Rica. Surrounded by stunning natural beauty, San Jose offers the best of Costa Rican culture and adventure. Discover art galleries, museums, and vibrant markets before venturing into the rainforests, volcanoes, and beaches nearby. La Paz, Bolivia. As one of the highest cities in the world, La Paz offers an unforgettable landscape and unique cultural experiences. From the surreal Valley of the Moon to vibrant street markets and historic cathedrals, La Paz is an adventure for the soul, surrounded by towering mountains and clouds. Each city on this list is a gateway to Latin America's incredible diversity and beauty, offering experiences that will inspire, refresh, and leave lasting memories. With TBS Global Travel, you can immerse yourself in these vibrant destinations with tailored travel packages, including flights, accommodation, and exclusive activities. Book now, and let the spirit of Latin America awaken your love for adventure.